Good morning, everyone. We are going to take a little trip over to SM Mall this morning. That's why I got my chimp shield on. They still require that. They still require a mask to go into the mall. But it's been a while since I've been to the mall. So we're going to go check it out, see if they got some Christmas decorations up. Just kind of see what's going on at the mall. Here's where I'm at. Look familiar? To the left is the Jeepney terminal. 49.65. I think I see over there peso rate. So within a day or two it went up. We'll just shoot through. We'll shoot through the Jeepney terminal here. Show you what's going on at the Jeepney terminal. Same old, same old. They still have barriers up inside the Jeepney, which is good. I figured they would disband them after a while. I know. Got some nice, delicious looking fresh fruits here. You always have people selling stuff at the Jeepney terminal for people riding the Jeepneys, whether they're going home or wherever they're going if they're hungry. Fresh fruits, dried fish. You guys see it? Yeah. So we're gonna walk this way. Remember, guys, if you're here, walk to the mall if you can. They'll charge you. Got your face shields and face masks. Yeah, walk to the mall if you can. If you're up in this area, and if you're staying up in this area, what are you going to do? You're going to go to the mall and walk anyway, so you might as well just walk to the mall. I've walked this many times in the past. It's around 10:30 a.m. Obviously, if it was p.m., it'd be dark out. All right, here we go. You got 25 seconds across the walkway. But always look, because you never know if somebody's going to run it. You don't want to be in the path of that oncoming car, obviously. Now, somebody told me, I'm going to walk up this way. Somebody told me there's a drive-in theater at the mall. Obviously outside, it's not going to be inside. I'll find out if that's true or not. And always walk. You can go in the bottom end, walk that way, or you can go up on the walking ramp here. I'm going to go up to the walking ramp. We'll go in that way. Must be getting warm out. Everybody's got their umbrellas. All right. Made it past the security guards. Everybody puts their shields down, but as soon as they get in the mall, they put their shields up. Nice and cool. Nice and cool in here. There's some people walking around early this morning, enjoying the mall morning, Monday mall morning. You can see it's up, it's hustling, it's bustling. You know, you watch TV. I watch a lot of United States TV. You always see the bargains going on. Wendy's bargains, KFC bargains, the new stuff comes out. They don't offer that here in the Philippines. You get what's on the menu, and the menu never changes. It must be only a United States thing. New product on the menu, that's only in the States. Surprisingly, it's quiet. Quiet as far as music. It's one of the things, guys, if you've ever been to the Philippines, you know the Filipinos love the malls. They love them. It's their go-to. Get out, socialize, hang out in the air condition, eat in the restaurants. Still no kids allowed. Still no kids, children allowed inside the mall. Just not allowing it yet. Let me shoot this way quick. Just not allowing them. There's my eye place. Ideal Vision. Morning. What's nice too is here in the Philippines you can get eye exams for free. Walk in and just say, you know, you want an eye exam. They will give you an eye exam for free. No charge. Not okay. You get the eye exam and we'll apply that to your bill if you purchase something. No, it's free. It is free. Go in, get your eye exam, and then leave. They do have good rates. Well, I think they're good rates. I don't have. Let me get away from that. That's the Videoke over in the SM store. They do have good rates. My insurance doesn't cover me with eye products here as far as glasses and my contacts. I forget what I paid for my contacts, but I thought it was reasonably priced. You guys seen the RoboCop? Didn't say nothing. Didn't say nothing. Even looked right at me. So it's hit or miss. It's hit or miss in here. I don't see any decorations yet. I don't know what's going on down here. There's a group of people. See what's happening. Somebody told me they give the jab in the mall. That's what somebody told me. Now we'll see what's going on down here where there's a bunch of people. PSA National ID registration. Okay, so they're doing ID registration. PSA National ID registration. That's what's going on here. Hello. They're doing a national registration for your ID. Still can't get in that entrance down there. Came here because thought I heard Christmas music. Came here because I need to go up top and get an external hard drive stick. Here's your food court. It's empty because it's only 10 o'clock, 10:30, around there. Here's your grab, guys. Oh, here we got some Christmas decorations. Not many. It is early. It is early. Little seating area here. They'll decorate all this up over the next couple weeks. But you do have a few. You have a few of Santa's helpers in there. Got your Ray-Bans. Shops like this, they're the real deal. They're not knockoffs. You can find the knockoffs on the street, but these are your real deals, and they're empty. Nobody's in there today. Even in the eye places, when you go into the eye places, they do have the real deal when it comes to sunglasses and name brands and stuff, and you'll pay that real deal price, guys. You're not getting that cheap here. Like I said, you want knockoffs, you can find them all over the street. Another area where they sit and hang out. That piano right there usually plays Christmas music, usually. But unfortunately, it's not. Wait, it is playing, but it's not Christmas music. Starbucks. Hi, I'm Buddy. How may I assist you? Over to the left is a Dairy Queen. All right, guys, I gotta head upstairs here. All right, guys, you're getting a rear treat. Usually up here, this is the electronics department up here in SM Mall. Usually, they always have so much music playing. Hello. They always have so much music playing up here. You can never film, but they have all these little stores here in the middle.
Yes, sir.
You want a phone cover case, you want your phone screened. I just call it the little trinket places here. Then they have your other bigger name brands through here. Silicon Valley's big, at Inbox, PC Express. Hello. They have everything you need here. They even have what do you call it? Computer places up in here. Like I said, it's always blaring music. There's a Power Mac Center. You need your, I think they repair them. I think they repair Macs in there. Warranties are in there. They're all just little knockoff things. Earplugs, like to plug in to listen to music. I bought them in here already, and like I told them, I said, see you in about 5 months, because this stuff never lasts. They have the name brand on them, but they're not the real deal. When you buy a pair of Bose headphones and they cost you like 500 pesos, $10, you know they're not the real deal, but they work. They work for a few months and they do the job. So that's all that really matters. But you guys see it. Over there's an MSI computer. I bought mine. Where did I buy it? There was a Dell dealer in here, but he's not in here. Well, maybe I'm in the wrong area. There's your MSI. Hello. They have everything you need here, right? I'm just looking. MSI, the real deal. They're not knockoffs. I know people, hey, how much are they? I'm not going to go in there and run all prices, but they are more expensive here than back in the States. There's your Samsung dealer. The real deal. I bought my Samsung phone in the mall here. It was the real deal. So there it is, guys. Let's wander somewhere else. All right, back to the action now. The upstairs by the movie theater. Well, at the movie theater, at the cinema there, they are doing vaccination shots. I don't know the whole process of what it takes, if you have to sign up, what the deal is, but they are giving out the vaccination up at the theater. There were a lot of security people up there, so I didn't want to take the chance up there. But they are doing it. And I did ask one of the security officers if they have the drive-in theater here. And he said, oh, the cinema. And I said, no, a drive-in movie theater. And he looked at me. I said, you know what a drive-in theater is? And he said, no. So I think a lot of people don't even know what a drive-in movie theater is. I could be wrong. But that's the answer I got. I will continue to try and find out if there is. I parked my car over where you guys seen me earlier, so I don't have my car to drive around, but maybe I'll hop in my car and take a ride around the outside of the mall and see if I could find it. All right, so I just asked the security guard as I was leaving the mall here if she even ever heard of a drive-in movie theater. She shook her head like, she looked at me like I was speaking a different language when I asked her that. Maybe it's called, maybe the Filipinos call it a different name. I don't know. But I'm gonna hop in the car. We'll drive through this small parking lot and see if it's here. Maybe it's located somewhere else. I just heard people say it. You know, oh, you check out the new drive-in theater, or there's a drive-in. I don't know. As far as I know, it might even be Chismis. It could maybe be Chismis, but I'll do my best to find it. You might be saying, well, why are you so obsessed with this drive-in theater that they say is around here? I'm not obsessed. I'm just bored and I'm looking for something to do, right? When you're retired here, you always got to find something to do, and that's my mission. All right, here we go. We are entering the mall. Security guy just yelled at the guy on a motorbike. Let me ask him quick. Hey, buddy, is there a drive-in theater in the mall here? Drive-in movie theater in the mall? Outside? Drive-in movie theater? No? Never heard? Oh, all right. See, now they've never heard of it. I don't even think they know what a drive-in theater is. But, well, I'll just drive through here and I'll look. They've got so much going on outside here. To the right used to be all motorcycle parking. Now that's gone. You see the buildings here, right in front of us. All this is all new construction to the right here. What is it going to be? I guess we'll find out, right? Maybe it's more of the mall. Who knows? You can't ask because nobody will know. Could be businesses. We just don't know. It used to be all parking to the right. And to the right is where you would sit when they did their fireworks displays. And oh, it was nice. Real nice. They did build new parking. Well, the past couple of years, they did build a parking garage. I think it's 20 pesos to park. Be interesting to see what it's going to be when it's all done. They even got rid of the water fountain. There was a water fountain back there as you entered the mall. Then you got Park Inn Hotel straight ahead there. That's been there for a while. More construction through here. Used to be 2 lanes down through here. This is all 1 lane now. I don't see any movie theater around here. Like I said, maybe there is, maybe there isn't. I'm not going to say yes and I'm not going to say no, because I don't know, along with everybody else. But to the right was that new parking. 1, 2, 3. It's 4 stories high. 20 pesos to park. I even think motorbikes are 20 pesos. They accept Grab, Pay, Gcash. Let me go around here. So there it is, guys. There is our Monday morning mall stroll. Showing you what's going on in the mall. Things are coming to life here. Well, the mall area here, as soon as they open it up, people were coming. Mask required, shield required. I don't even know. Yeah, I think they checked my temperature when I went in. I'm sure they did. And that's it. That is our Monday morning mall hangout. So with that being said, take care of yourself, take care of each other, take care of the sick, the elderly, the young. If you have pets, take care of your pets, and we'll talk to you later.